vibrates. So we'll just wait and see what it's meant to be. Never really want for monogamy, well not anymore anyway. And you know you made me that way, and I really wish you had stayed. Left me here alone, awake. I'm just sitting here until late, and I'm just drowning down your name away. Can't stop thinking, can't stop drinking. I need your name out of me. Can't stop thinking, can't stop drinking. I need your name right out of me. Need every thought out right now. Cause every time I hear a beat, only your name just keeps on blurting out. Not saying that I hate it, but when I look at you, yeah, I'm falling down so helplessly. I guess I'm consumed, but we could never last. And you know that these moments last, so we go back to the arguments and the shit before. I don't even wanna go back. No need to be so serious. Your anger makes you delirious. Would you let me inside? It's cold outside sometimes. I hope you're hearing this. Too broken to think we're gonna last, but I know this moment's gonna last. Let's just watch the sun go down and crash, and all these feelings in the trash. Nothing stays the same, I just keep drinking down your name. And if you're hearing this right now, you'd probably think that I'm insane. But I'm not insane, just know that I only want you to go. Yeah, my pen and pad and these lyrics never seem to let you go. So while you're sipping on your wine, I'll be drinking here tonight. Empty bottles on my tables till I think I feel too light. Damn.